Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best heat press machines for small business, 2026, chosen for their efficiency, versatility, and professional results. Small businesses need reliable heat press machines that can handle t-shirts, hats, mugs, and tumblers with consistent performance. These models feature auto-release technology, precise temperature control, and durable designs that make them ideal for sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects. With trusted names like Trant, Gotchafix, and Vever, this lineup ensures smooth operation and high-quality output. Let's explore the top 5 heat press machines that combine innovation, durability, and ease of use for growing businesses. Number 1. Trant Auto Heat Press Machine, 15x15. The HTVR20 Auto Heat Press Machine is a professional-grade option, rated 4.6 stars by over 6,000 users. Featuring a 15 by 15-inch heat plate, it's perfect for t-shirts, hoodies, and larger fabric projects. Smart technology ensures precise temperature and pressure control, while the auto-release function prevents overpressing and scorching. Compact yet powerful, it balances efficiency with safety, offering rapid heating and consistent results. Designed for sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects, it adapts to a wide range of business needs. Trant delivers a strong option for small businesses seeking a reliable heat press that combines advanced features, durability, and professional output. Number 2. Gotchafix Auto Hat Heat Press Machine. The Gotchafix Auto Hat Heat Press Machine is a specialized option designed for caps and headwear. Featuring a curved heat plate measuring 6.54 inches by 3.84 inches, it ensures even pressure across hat surfaces. With automatic open and release functionality, it prevents overheating and delivers consistent results. 4 memory modes allow users to save preferred settings, while precise temperature and timer controls enhance accuracy. Compact yet versatile, it includes a hat stretcher for professional shaping. Gotchafix delivers a practical solution for small businesses focusing on custom headwear, offering a heat press that combines precision, convenience, and reliability for sublimation and vinyl projects. Number 3. Trant Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine, White. The HTVR20 Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine is a versatile option, rated 4.5 stars by over 2,000 users. Designed for sublimation tumblers, cups, glasses, and mugs, it accommodates sizes from 2.95 inch to 3.18. Featuring rapid and even heating, it ensures bubble-free transfers and professional results. High-security features protect users during operation, while the compact design saves workspace. Automatic release functionality prevents overpressing, making it beginner-friendly yet professional. Trant delivers a strong option for small businesses specializing in drinkware customization, offering a tumbler press that combines safety, efficiency, and consistent performance for high-quality sublimation projects. Number 4. Vever Auto Heat Press Machine, 15x15. The Vever Auto Heat Press Machine is a premium option designed for t-shirt printing and fabric projects. Featuring a 15 by 15-inch heat plate, it accommodates larger designs with ease. Automatic release and adjustable pressure ensure consistent results, while the digital display provides precise temperature and timer control. Rapid heating technology reduces wait times, making it efficient for busy small businesses. Compact yet durable, it balances functionality with reliability. Vever delivers a strong option for entrepreneurs seeking a heat press that combines professional features, advanced technology, and dependable performance for sublimation, vinyl, and heat transfer projects. Number 5. Trant Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine, Pink. The HTVR20 Auto Tumbler Heat Press Machine, Pink, is a stylish option, rated 4.5 stars by users. Designed for sublimation tumblers, cups, and mugs, it accommodates sizes from 2.95 inch to 3.18. Featuring rapid and even heating, it ensures smooth transfers without bubbles or fading. High-security features protect users, while the automatic release function prevents overpressing. Compact yet powerful, it balances efficiency with design appeal, making it perfect for creative businesses. Trant delivers a practical solution for small businesses seeking a tumbler press that combines safety, reliability, and vibrant style, ensuring professional results for customized drinkware projects. That wraps up our list of the 5 best heat press machines for small business, 2026. From large 15 by 15 t-shirt presses to specialized hat and tumbler machines, each option offers unique strengths to match your business needs. Trant stands out with its versatile auto heat press and tumbler machines, while Gotchafix provides precision for custom headwear. Vever adds durability and advanced features for professional apparel projects. Whether you prioritize large capacity, specialized designs, or stylish customization, this lineup ensures reliable performance and high-quality results. Small businesses thrive on efficiency and consistency, and these heat press machines deliver both. Check the description for updated prices and details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and take your business to the next level with the right heat press machine.